So the Glow TV network places a primary emphasis on well, I'm a research scientist and I'm also a musician, an artist, draw, paint, and I'm also getting into photography because a photographer did mention to me that there's a metaphorical and analogical correlation between art and photography. So I'm getting into photography to see what are the correspondence between photography and art, because I know I could draw commonalities between art and music from a compositional standpoint. How to write, compose, I can arrange, I can transpose, I can transcribe, I can read music. I have a fundamental understanding of how music works, and you see a cross-platforming between mutually exclusive domains. Those are just big jargonic terms for, in music we have composition, arrangement. In art you have composition. How you lay out the groundwork, how you lay out the foundation, how you lay out the shades and the colors, how you make an object pop, how you illustrate a three-dimensional depiction on a two-dimensional surface. You have composition, you have composition in music. Like in music, you have a major chord, like a major chord, a major chord. A major chord may sound bright. Glow TV network places a primary emphasis on well, I'm a research scientist and I'm also a musician,